The Japan Air Self-Defense Force recently deployed 2 Mitsubishi F-15J fighter jets to Clark Air Base in the Philippines, marking the first time the JASDF has sent fighter jets to the country. The deployment, known as Pero 22 or Together in Talago, comes as China increases its regional presence and the two nations deepen their security ties. The Philippines is the third country to receive Japan's fighters, after the United States and Australia. The F-15J divided by DJ is an all-weather air superiority fighter that is based on the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle and is in use by the JASDF. The fighter jets took off from an airbase in southwestern Japan and were refueled in mid-air before arriving on Luzon Island. Clark Air Base, which is operated by the Philippine Air Force and was previously a United States military facility, is located west of Angeles City and about 40 miles northwest of Metro Manila. The JASDF called the Philippines a very important partner that shares common values, and Japan aims to expedite cooperation, interoperation, and mutual understanding between the two nations, and to contribute to the stabilization of the region. The two nations began joint exercises last year, and Japan has also begun transferring air surveillance radar systems to the Philippines. Japan is considering selling air defense radar technology to the Philippines, which would be its first export of defense equipment since ending a nearly 50-year ban in 2014. In addition to combat, the F-15DJ is also used for training, while the F-15J Kai is a modernized version of the F-15J. Japan is the largest customer of the F-15 Eagle outside the United States, and the fighter jet's deployment to the Philippines underscores Japan's commitment to the region's security and stability.